Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add a base network on Trust Wallet. First of all, you can open the Trust Wallet. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can now just simply tap on search at the top of the screen, and here you can search base, and after searching the base, you can now tap on the second coin that is base in the crypto section. After tapping on this, you can just simply send the base coin or receive the coin, or you can swap the base coin, and it is a way you can add base network on Trust Wallet. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.